Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to install Copilot in Visual Studio Code. For this, first of all, open Visual Studio Code. Once it's open, here we will click on the extension button. After that, go to the search bar and type Copilot. After that, click on GitHub Copilot. After that, install the GitHub Copilot extension. Once it's done, then click on github.com. Now here, first, log in using your credentials. Once it's open, then click on the profile icon. After that, click on Feature Preview, and then enable all the options which are available. After that, go back to Visual Studio Code and then click on File. After that, create a new file and write the name of that file, and in the last of the name, we will write Pi and then hit the Enter button. And then your file will be created. Now you can see you can write any type of Copilot code in Visual Studio Code. That was the way how to install Copilot in Visual Studio Code. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.